Alright everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can open a new channel. A lot of people, they were asking me, you are talking about the YouTube automation and everything, but how to open the new channel. Alright, so watch this full video. I'm going to show you step by step how you can open the channel from scratch and how you can do all the setting and everything. Alright, so literally you don't have to do anything. If you have the Gmail account, you are good to go. If not, then you have to open the new Gmail account. So if you want to go Gmail account, just type the Gmail. Gmail account, literally it will say the create Gmail account. All right, so the create Gmail account, and then your all the things are here already for you, like how to do it, and you just hit the create the account. I have already account. It's a simple process and it will teach you how to do that, the how to create the Gmail account. All right, once you create it, then you just come here on YouTube and is saying the create the channel. All right, so hit the create the channel. All right, so this is my channel. It can be look like that, but you can create any name. You can change it later, but I'm just saying the create the channel. So you hit the create the channel, and then it's creating the channel for you. And here you go, you create the channel, guys, literally nowhere. And after that, you have to literally customize the channel, customize the channel, manage the videos. So create the content on any device, upload your records, home to go, and everything. So you just have to go here, once you create the channel, and you need to go the YouTube studio. So this YouTube studio where you can make any change. All right, so bear with me. I'll take you to the YouTube studio, and what you can do that everything from here. All right, so go to the YouTube studio. Welcome to YouTube studio, where you can see all your payments, analytics, everything. Literally you see the dashboard is here. Content, any content you posted here, you can see that here. All right, you can see your shorts videos if you have the uploaded, if the live videos, the playlist, podcast, promotion, everything you can see that here, and the inspiration also. All right, analytics is whatever the videos you posted here. All right, all the analytics is here. That's what is going to show you guys. All right, so the overview, content, audience, the trends, what is trending right now, what is trending right now. Literally you can make the videos. YouTube is literally giving you guys to that ideas. The YouTube is giving you ideas to make you guys the another videos, and then communities. You can literally post anything about your channel, literally in the communities. Some people, they are commenting, you can like them, you can comment them. Everything is here in the community tab. After that, the copyright tab. If somebody is copying from you can literally ask them to not copy from you, and everything it will show here. All right, so since this is the new channel, I'm creating it. So and the earn tab, literally you can see, I don't have any videos right now, but you can see that 1,000 subscriber, 4,000 watch hour. For the shorts, you need a 10 million in 3 months, and this is the criteria where you need to monetize. 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour is going to, your channel will monetize, and that's how you're going to make money with that. All right, and it's very easy. That before it was not, but nowadays with shorts you can literally get literally fast, so this is all the steps. Once you hit the 1,000 here, 1,000 subscriber, and then 4,000 watch hour, and that's how. So you are this video is completely for beginner. All right, so once you open the channel, this is all the tab, the studio is going to help you guide. All right, and this is the two-step verification, follow the community guidelines, pass the channel. So this is the all the criteria where you have to follow it. All right, and then after that you have to go in customization. The customization is like when you are putting the banner, you know so let me see other channel and I'll show you what is the banner. I mean, a lot of people, they know that the banner, but if I will take you, suppose that if I am taking you this channel, so if you go here, this is called banner, guys. All right, so you'll go here, you have to upload your banner. You can literally made here in the Canva, you can literally just go here and search it about and go to home and hit like the banner. So YouTube banner, yeah, so you can get the YouTube banner here, and then here you go, guys. And literally you just literally whatever you like to do with your blogger or anything is already there, right? Just change your name, change your things, and just suppose that if I'll download this one. All right, so suppose that if I'll do that, customize this template. I mean, you can pay someone to do that, but if you don't have money, you are a beginner, then literally I will put RJ Pandey. All right, and RJ Pandey, I will just put it here, stronger every day. If I'm just doing this channel, I will go ahead and download it. Once I download this one, it will download here. So once it's downloaded, guys, what I will do, I'll go here and upload it. All right, so this one, it should be mine. That's how it's gonna look like that. All right, so once I'll download, here you go, and you'll just do the publish, and I mean, you can change your picture, anything, if you have the Faceless channel. But if I'll go to channel, see, this is look like that. This is the banner. All right, so this is the banner is going to look like that, like how people they do this one. The professional one, you can do that also, same thing. So here you can change your name, you can change your handle. Handle is like somebody want to find your RJ Pandey or something, you can do that, all that. All right, so you can write about the description, what is your channel about, and then this is the channel URL. You can always customize this one, copy it and send someone, and somebody can subscribe. Add the link if you have like a Facebook channel or like a Facebook group or whatever you have to put the link here. You can put link here, and email for the brand's deal and everything, and the video, upload the videos. Like sometimes people, they will put in the corner to subscribe. Once you watch this kind of videos, then in the corner people, they will say subscribe to the channel, and you can put it your emails here. All right, so that's the thing you have right now to see that, and then after customization and earn tab. So this is the one, guys. I mean, I don't think so I'm missing anything, but this is the customization tab. I customize it, everything. And if you go to the setting, then you can always adjust whatever the currency is. Once your channel is monetized, then you can see that like whatever in US dollar. And the upload defaults means like you can always don't put the default the titles, but description you can do. If your channel is make money online niche or something, whatever niche, health, wealth, or relationship, any niche, then you can put all the description here. Like suppose that, let me show you guys how you can do that. right? So suppose that maybe this channel, all right, so this channel is the description. So this is called the description, you know. This is literally, if you want to do that anything, the description, this one will be, every video is going to be, you don't have to put it again and again. You can change the first part what you're doing that, you know. So you can change it all the time. If you want to keep it same, then you can keep it same, you know. So that's what is all about here, you know, here. And then you can put your description, and here if you want to put your video public, private, unlisted, you know. If you put the private, nobody's going to watch it, right? Public sounds good. Unlisted, I mean, nobody's going to. Public is the only people they are going to watch videos, and that's how you're going to make money, right? And after that, permission is like if you want to invite someone, like if somebody is your video editor, or somebody is trying to manage your channel, so you can literally invite here, and you can give them access. Like you want to give them manager access, you want to give them editor access, it's all up to you, you know. But you are the owner, you know. You are the owner of this channel, like literally you can see that. And when you reach the level you want to sell that channel, that's also is possible. Like we did a lot of channels grow high, and then after that we literally sell that channel. And that this ownership also, you can transfer it. It takes 7 days for transfer this channel to other people. So YouTube is a really good platform. You can put someone email and give them access, and you can just go through like so manager can view anything, manage, permission, go live, and create, edit, and delete content. Manager, if you give them editor, you give them view, you know. So that's the part you have here. After that, automated filters, you know, like if somebody is like you know, the hidden users, the live redirects, this is all the, and help you make so create demographic, the agreement. So this is another setting part, you have to do it. So after doing this one, your channel is ready. And once you start creating video, just create here, upload videos, go live, new playlist, new podcast. So upload videos, once you put it here, you have to just select this one, and then just select the videos, whatever the videos you have, you know, you select it here. Suppose that anything, you know, if you want to create these videos, and then it's uploading. Video is uploading right now, and then you have to go through the title, you have to put the description, you have to put the, you know, this is made for kids or not, on age restriction, you know, what kind of video you are making it, and then is it the paid promotion or not, you know. So that's advanced, but this is the basic things I'm talking about, guys. All right, so this is the tags, you can put some tags here, you know. And then this is all, you have to just scroll down, video location, wherever you are in this country. And then your source is like do you want someone to remix or not, and comments and everything, you want to put the comments on or not, moderation, basic, none, something like that. You can select it. Your video is uploading right now. Once the video is uploaded, then you go to the next step, you know. And the next step is still they are going to ask you, you know, like first you have to select something here, you know, like your title, after that description, and then you have to add the this is for the kids or not. So you can say no kids, and if you have the channel. So this is kind of the all the things you have to do it, you know. And you can always like so you can see that this part, and then you go to the next part, and then add related videos. You can add related videos so people they can watch. All right, right now I don't have, you know, so then it will check your like this check is the copyright or not. So it will check your video. If you have the copyright, it will tell you why there is a copyright, and you can change it. All right, so after checking the video and you know, so no issue found, and then you go to the visibility, and then you can literally you can do that whatever you want. You want to private, you want to publish. Once you done with everything, you hit the public, and it will publish it right away, and you send our channel, and people, they can start watching. All right, so I hope this video give you some ideas how to open the channel, right? And you open the channel down, I mean, it's literally free, guys. People, they are making tons of money on YouTube, and you guys are missing out. YouTube is not going on owned by Google, you know. It's like $1 trillion, $1 billion of like this company. You can see the Mr. Beast, he's making millions of dollars. Coco Melon, all the Faceless channels, they are making millions of dollars, you know. So that's what I'm saying, guys. Start your YouTube channel. All right, so this is the really basic things. I'm going to put it more something like how you can create the videos, you know, like a Faceless channels, and how you can do that, you know. So I can make you guys a lot of like channels, you know, like a lot of things. I can create it for you guys. You can just go from there, learn it for free, you know. You don't have to spend any money. So you can always subscribe some channel creator inside if you want to learn about the YouTube things, you know, like she always talk about every Tuesday or Thursday, I think they will talk about what is update in the YouTube, and you can get it from there also. People, they watch this one and they create videos on that one, that same topic, and they get millions of views. She get like a 2.8k, the 12 hours gate, but a lot of people, they get more than that, you know. So in this video, that's it. If you like this video, all right, please subscribe for the more videos, and I will see you in the next one. All right, thank you. Have a blessed day.